Hello everyone, welcome to my Akka class channel. Today I am writing on the topic of possessive noun. Let us learn today possessive noun. Definition of possessive noun is: a possessive noun is a type of noun that indicates position regards any place, thing, idea, object, quality, action, or any substances. Examples of possessive noun. First one, this is my sister's umbrella. Here sisters is possessive noun. Second one, this red Ferrari is my boss's car. Here bosses is possessive noun. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe and press bell icon to get my all videos. Third one, my father's wallet has been missing. Here father's is possessive noun. Fourth one, the Indian Ocean's water is less sour. Here Indian Oceans is possessive noun. Fifth one, this cement is the engineer's choice. Here engineers is possessive noun. Sixth one, the doll's hairs are red and shiny. Here dolls is possessive noun. Seventh one. KFC's chicken is so delicious. Here KFC is a possessive noun. Eighth one. David's school bus has been missed. Here David's is possessive noun. Ninth one. She is my neighbor's daughter. Here neighbors is possessive noun. Tenth one. This author's notes are very effective. Here authors is possessive noun. Let us see list of possessive noun. First one. Apple's taste. Second one. Baby's shoes. Third one. Bird's wings. Fourth one. Children's hats. Fifth one. Dad's gift. Sixth one. Garlic's paste. Seventh one. Members' oaths. Eighth one. Mother's love. In possessive noun, ninth one once. Tenth one, people's eyes. Thank you for watching video.